Snow fell like blossoms from black skies above. Sharp winds cut through the tall pines we love. Strangers on that cold mountain trail, faces hidden from a winter gale. Her eyes shone through her scarves and fur. My heart long cold, only hers could cure. In the hush of the storm, love caught fire. A boy and a girl at the dawn of desire. And the winds kept whispering, hold on tight, while all around us the world turned white. Two souls a meeting where the cold air thin, just hearts and hope through the winter wind. We made our home by a crystal stream, springtime warmth, all lush and green. Every sunrise, a promise made. Every sunset, a debt we paid. The sheriff rode in with pistols drawn, said the hangman's waiting at the break of dawn. Tore our world apart without warning, both hearts broken just as a new day was dawning. She held me and whispered, don't you break the vows we made, they can never take. Two hearts fighting what we could not defend, still bound together in the winter wind. We fled to those trees that called out our names, where the snow remembered our first flames. Each dawn we borrow, each dusk we fear, knowing one day that noose will draw near. She leans on me, her eyes tell the tale. Fears tomorrow there'll be one on the trail. I curse the gallows that behind us towers, stealing the lives that should have been ours. Every breath could be the last we share. The stars look down, but they do not care. But the wind keeps whispering, hold on tight, the world can't take what we held that night. If the sheriff comes calling, I'll face my end. She'll always have me in the winter wind. If you hear the wind through the trees at night, howling cold and crisp, bathed in moonlight, listen for that girl and her lost boat, riding forever through the winter snow.